what's going on, guys? This is Goose here at NewBeeDrone, and today we're going to be doing something really cool. I believe this is a world first. What we're going to be doing is live streaming using the GoPro Hero 7 on a mini quad and seeing if that'll work. Let's go outside and check it out. Alright, so we're out here at this little grassy area that we're going to test fly this. So let me show you the setup of what we're doing for all this stuff. I've got my mini quad right here, my radio, goggles, and here we have the GoPro Hero 7, the black edition. And what's nice about this guy is you can do live streaming to your phone directly from this guy. So what we're going to try and do is put this in the mini quad and then stream to my phone, which I have right here. And then we're going to use this mobile Wi-Fi hotspot to connect to, since there's no Wi-Fi out here. So this is what we got to use. Full bars! Dang, there's ants all over the place, man. So, come here, check this out. Now I'm gonna take the GoPro app and connect to the camera with it.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so now you can see I got the Hero 7 down here, and that's live streaming to my phone. I'm gonna set this up as live now, so I'm gonna scroll over to live. I'm gonna do setup live. Okay. I'm gonna make sure I connect to our network that we have out here. It's searching real quick. Okay, we're gonna connect to our mobile hotspot of NewBeeDrone. Okay, now I'm gonna title this GoPro Hero 7 Live Test. Okay, I'm gonna save this as a copy so I can show you guys when I'm editing this. Okay, 720, set up live.
You wanna use mini foot? It's not a mini foot.
Okay, now I'm gonna hit go live. And okay, now it's streaming to my Facebook Live, and what I'll do is, at this point, is I'm gonna have Chris or Calvin, one of you guys, share the stream. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave my phone right here next to the router so I get as close as reception. I'm going to unplug the GoPro right there. Now I'm gonna slide it right into my drone in this GoPro case we printed. Fast, too furious. Slide that puppy in there like that. Okay. Yeah, baby, we live. Ooh. Okay, now let me get my goggles on, power those pups on. Woo. Oh. All right, radio's on, goggles on, plugging into mini quad. Down here. Let's do an arm test. Okay, arm's good. All right. Oh, that was pretty close right there.
How's the quality in the stream?
You guys see good quality?
Waiting for it to catch up. Hold on a second. I'm gonna stand to your left, about 3 feet.
Hey TJ, can you go stand out in the middle? Yep. Alright.
What do you think?
Going to do the orbit?
He's gonna do the orbit. Car coming in.
Car coming in.
Right to your left.
You try to do that gap?
Nope. Nope.
I'm a little nervous with this.
Don't do it.
But I did it.
No, just CJ.
No, just
Just CJ. Stick cam.
oh, let's go over that little
Or the GoPro.
All right. Let me throw my radio down. Unplug this little. Yeah. Okay. All right, and that's it. That's live streaming with the GoPro Hero 7 directly from a freestyle racing drone. I believe we're the world first. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we have the title. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about how to set this up, or if you have ideas on what we should do for this, please feel free to leave a comment below about it, or send us an email, Facebook message, whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.